Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. When using EndeavourOS and playing audio with the command FFmpeg itest.flak_f also default, we see an output in the terminal that displays information about the audio stream, such as size, time, bitrate, and speed. The challenge is to extract the time parameter and its value from this output. We've tried redirecting the stderr output of FFmpeg and using grep to filter out the time information, but it doesn't seem to be working as expected. The goal is to find a way to extract the current position in the audio stream using only FFmpeg without switching to play. Now, let's focus on the solution that can help us tackle this problem. The key lies in using a combination of FFmpeg and awk. By running FFmpeg itest.flak_f also default and awk vrs equals \r in R1 and in time, we can effectively extract and display the time information from the FFmpeg output. This command filters out the relevant data we need, allowing us to track the progress of the audio stream in real time. Expanding on this solution, we can further refine the output by using FFmpeg itest.flak_f also default and awk vrs equals \r in R1 and in time print $2. This command specifically extracts and displays the time field with its corresponding values, providing a clear view of the audio stream's progress over time. Moreover, we can strip away the time equals part and focus solely on the time values by using FFmpeg itest.flak_f also default and awk vrs equals \r vfs equals in R1 and in time print $4. This command neatly presents the time values without the extra text, making it easier to track the audio stream's progress efficiently. To ensure a smoother output redirection without losing any data, we can employ FFmpeg itest.flak_f also default and awk vrs equals \r vfs equals in R1 and in time print $4. Flush devstout ttmp year. This command flushes the output in awk, maintaining a consistent and up-to-date display of the audio stream progress in the designated file. Lastly, by examining the inner workings of FFmpeg's output through Strace FS 4096 FFmpeg itest.flak_f also default in grep time equals, we gain insights into how FFmpeg processes and presents the time information. Understanding these details can help us optimize our extraction methods for better efficiency. In conclusion, with the right combination of FFmpeg commands and awk functions, we can effectively extract and display the time information from the audio stream progress. By following these methods, you can seamlessly monitor the audio playback progress within the terminal. Alright, time to wrap up this journey. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!